You have probably seen videos like this on TikTok, right? The question is, how can you make videos like this? You don't have to worry about it because that's my job. I already figured it out. This is an interesting new niche that is currently going viral. Not only is this niche monetizable on YouTube, but you can post the same videos on TikTok as well. So basically, it's a win-win situation. I'm going to call this niche Geography Niche. It's because we are going to talk about countries and regions. So if you have a better name for this niche, let me know. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. You may have to watch this video till the end because this process is kind of complicated. So don't miss any part. I'm going to show you several TikTok pages that are going viral with this niche. So if you want to understand and learn more about this niche, watch several videos from these pages, and you will easily understand that. This is another viral TikTok page in this niche. They have managed to gain around 83,000 followers within a very short time. Now let's start the process. How to find video ideas. This is the easiest part of this process. You can find video ideas using ChatGPT, or you can make videos about trending global news. If you can stick with the trending topics every day, it's going to be very easy to go viral with your videos. Or you can go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate topics related to different countries and regions that are currently trending. I have used this prompt to generate 10 video ideas for this niche. Now let's choose a topic and create a video script for it. The topic I'm going to select for this example video is this one, which is about the coldest city in the world. And I'm going to use ChatGPT to create a small but engaging script for this topic. It looks like the script has been generated. Again, you can read it and convert it to your own words instead of using the AI-generated script directly. Now, I'm going to use 11 Labs to make voiceovers for this script. You can select a suitable voice for this niche. It's up to you to do that part. Make sure to select a clear voice with a clear accent. After that, we need to gather some materials. The main thing we need is a map view of the whole world. Actually, it's very simple. There are two ways to find that. The first method is to use Google Earth Studio. Once you go to this website, first you need to sign up, then you will be able to create videos like these examples. In this case, I'm going to go with this one, which zooms into a location from outer space. Click this start button. Now you need to search for the place you want. Now I'm going to search for that coldest city in the world. It's in Russia. And then we will have this cool zoom in shot of that city. You can change its duration if you want. I'm going to go with 5 seconds. Then you can render this image and download it. It's really simple. The next website is called ArcGIS Online. You can get the imagery view of the whole world using this website. You can use the search bar to find out the countries and locations, and then either screen record it or take some screenshots. After that, you need to go to FreePic website and download some map images and flag images related to that specific country or region. In this case, it's going to be Russia. Now, for the editing part, we will need several icons and some images. I'm going to use flaticon.com for that. Using this website, you can download any icon-style images for your videos. Now, I have given you all the websites that you need to gather the necessary materials for this final video editing. Go ahead and download all the things you need. Let's start to create the map animation. I'm going to show you how to create this specific map animation using Adobe After Effects. So now you need to download After Effects to your computer. Then open After Effects and create a new project. Then you will come to this page. Now go to this side and right-click, then select this new composition option. Then you need to enter the ratio. This is going to be a short video, therefore width should be 1080 and height should be 1920. Then press OK. Now you need to drag and drop the image of the map to this. You can adjust its position and size using this menu, play with this scale option, and adjust its showcase the whole map of Russia. Now you need to drag and drop the map of Russia we downloaded to this. This part is a little bit tricky. You need to adjust the scale and position of this map to fit the actual size of the map of Russia. So, play these options and adjust its size to fit the map. Okay, this is perfect. Now, you need to select these both layers and right-click, then select this pre-compose option. Now let's animate this part. Select this pre-compose layer and press the letter S on the keyboard. Then you need to make a keyframe by clicking this dot icon at the start. Then go 1 second ahead and increase the scale. Now it will have this zoom effect. Now you need to select these two keyframes and press the F9 button to make this animation smother. Now let's do some rotation to this as well. Press R on the keyboard. And again, just like we did before, create a keyframe here, then go back to the starting point and change this value to make it rotate. Now if you press U letter on the keyboard, it will show you all the active keyframes. Press F9 to make it smother. Then you will have this cool zooming effect with a little bit of a rotation. Then double click this layer, and now I'm going to animate the opacity of the map. Click this map layer and select this drop down icon. Now you can edit the opacity of it using this opacity tab. I'm going to reduce it to 0, make a keyframe at the beginning, and let's go 1 second forward and increase it back to 100%. Now if you go back to the main composition, it will have this cool zoom animation while this map of the Russia is appearing. Now go back to the map layer and create another keyframe after like 3 or 4 seconds, and decrease the opacity back to 0, then in the 4-second marker, this map of Russia will disappear. It should look like this. Now press the U letter again to see all active keyframes, and create a keyframe here. Now go several seconds forward and increase the scale to zoom into that specific city that we are going to talk about in this video. Now that city is around here. I'm going to go to this menu and select this ellipse tool. Now you need to press and hold shift to draw a perfect circle like this. I'm going to disable this color fill because I only need the stroke. Now you can adjust its size using this menu and place it where that city is located, and I'm going to increase its stroke size as well. Now you need to drag this circle layer in the timeline where the camera zooms into that location like this. Now let's animate this circle as well. Go to this shape layer and select this drop down menu and select this stroke option. Now you need to click this plus icon in front of this dash option. Then you can change the size of the dashed by increasing this number. Now click this add button and select this trim paths option. Then you need to go to this trim path and decrease this end value to 0 and create a keyframe. Then go several seconds forward and increase it back to 100. Now you will get this cool circle animation. Now click this keyframe near this offset value and go several seconds forward and increase its value. Now you will get this cool rotating effect on this circle. It should look like this. Now, you can go to this effect and search for glow, and then add this glow effect to the circle. All you need to do is drag and drop this effect tin as shape layer, and then you can increase this value to change the glowing depth of this circle. Now I'm going to add a text layer to this. Click this T option and type your text. I'm going to add coldest city to this text, and let me show you how to animate this text layer. Go to this text layer and select this animate option, select this position, and then click this add button and select the opacity. Now you need to decrease the opacity to 0 and change the position of this text like this. Now select this range selector and go back to the beginning of the text and decrease this offset value to -100 and make a keyframe, then go a few frames forward and increase it back to 100. Then click this advanced option and change this square to ramp up and make this ease high value 25 and the ease low value to 100. Now, you will get this cool text animation. I'm going to change the text color as well. Then let's add this flag icon in the middle of the circle and add an opacity animation to it as well. I already showed you how to do that. And with that, I think this animation part is enough. If you want to learn more about these animations, check out my new channel. I'm planning to upload video editing tutorials in that channel. Link is in the description. Then, you can go to this files and export this video. Now I'm going to use CapCut to put together all these materials and finish the final video. Create a new project in CapCut and make sure to select the 9:16 ratio for a short video. Then you need to import all the voiceovers, map animation, and other stock videos that you downloaded to this. First, add the voiceovers to the timeline, and then add all the animation videos that you created using After Effects to the suitable places. Then you can add stock videos to other places and make sure to add suitable stock videos. I have added all the animations and stock videos to the timeline. Then you need to add the captions to this video. Go to text and select auto caption and generate captions for this video. You can edit the caption style, font, and color of the font using this menu. It's completely up to you. After that, you can add a cool text animation to these subtitles, go to animations, and select this caption option. Then you can select a good animation from here. Finally, add background music to this video, and that's all. Your video is ready.
Did you know that there is a city in Russia with a temperature of -67 Celsius? Welcome to Oymyakon, Russia, the coldest inhabited place on Earth. Here, winter isn't just a season, it's a way of life. Temperatures can plummet to a bone-chilling -67.7 degrees Celsius, colder than most freezers. The 500 residents of Oymyakon have adapted in incredible ways. Buildings are elevated to prevent the ground's permafrost from melting, and cars run 24/7 to keep their engines from freezing solid.
And guys, I recently uploaded the world's shortest YouTube automation course. If you want, you can check it out. All the knowledge and information in that video are for free. I will see you guys in the next video.